Thank you for checking out our video. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung refrigerator with French doors. In this quick video we'll show you how to remove and adjust the shelves in the door of your Samsung refrigerator. Samsung refers to these as door bins. These can get dirty and may need to be removed for cleaning or may just need to be adjusted depending on what you store in them. It may also help to remove these door bins when attempting to remove the bottom shelf or vegetable fruit drawers for cleaning, etc. Just follow my easy steps in the video and you should be okay. We'll be right back and take you through this easy cleaning, adjusting process. In this case, our model number is RF28HMED-BSR, and I'll put that in the description. So a number of you have watched my other Samsung service videos and have asked me about removing these shelves in the door. It's fairly simple on this model. All you really need to do is just grab the shelf, lift up, and it comes right off. There's little cogs right here where that shelf will actually engage into, and I always like to take an opportunity. I've just got a soft cotton towel to clean, and when you want to put this shelf back on, these little clips on each side just engage on this right here on the shelf on the door, and then you just slide it back into place, and that's exactly how easy it is to take that off and clean it or even move it around. Yeah, the door on the other side, the right hand side, actually has, in this particular model, has 3 shelves, and you can see there's other locations like here and down in here where the shelves can be moved to. So depending what you want to put in the shelves in your doors, you can raise these shelves up and down to accommodate for taller or shorter things. And again, it's just an easy way to be able to take these out and clean them if you had to. You can see how easy that was to move that. Thanks for stopping by the DIY Collaborative. We've provided some helpful information in the description, including some links that you may want to check out. Please give us your feedback, ask questions, and let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out our other do-it-yourself videos. And don't forget to hit that like button.